Welcome back to my channel. So let's look at some more Stream API interview question. Transform person object stream into a single string consisting of all names in upper letter separated by a pipe character. Okay, so basically we'll have a person object. It will have name and age, and what we need is names in uppercase and separated by pipe, or basically the output that you see in front of you, it should be in this form. So for this program, we will need a person object with name and int age. So we will provide the setters, getters, constructor, and the toString method. And we have that. Next, we will need an object, right? So let's quickly make the object. So we have our object, and in order to get the output, we will need to create a collector, and we have to pass 4 ingredients to that collector: a supplier, a accumulator, a combiner, and a finisher. Okay, so let's create the collector. So a collector will have a person, a string joiner. We need the string joiner because we are using a delimiter, right? The pipe character that we have to provide, and then a string. Let's call it person collector, and we are going to use collector dot off. And as you can see, the parameters that collector.off takes is supplier, accumulator, combiner, and finisher, and also characteristics, but I guess we'll just be using till finisher. Okay, so the first thing that we are gonna take is a supplier. A supplier does not take anything in its parameter and gives us the value because it has just one method, that is the get method. And when we need values or output on demand or dynamically, then we go for supplier. So here we are creating a string joiner, which is going to take care of a delimiter. Okay, the next thing what we need is an accumulator. So accumulator will have 2 parameters. So J stands for the string joiner and P stands for the object. Okay, so what we need to do is, to string joiner we need to add our object, and in our object we need to add our name of the object. So p dot name will give us the name, and we have to convert it to uppercase. So before that we have to convert it to string, and then we have to convert it to uppercase. Okay, so the third thing what we need is, we need a combiner. So we have 2 joiners present. Let's name it J1, J2, and we need to merge that. Merge J2. Then we need to convert a string joiner to string. So string joiner, method reference, and to string, and we are good. Okay, this has to be J2. Okay, let's see what we have until now. Person collector, and soon you'll realize that what we have now is not the answer or what is expected. So what we need to do is, we have to take a string names we have to take our object and then use stream. Okay, this is persons dot stream, and we have to collect the names based on our customized collector. Okay, and then we just need to print out the names, and we should see our output there. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this. Let's catch up in the next video.